Nyame waye bi. Brand new one. Abena Ruthie. Waya dear. Oh my goodness. Good afternoon. Now Pacho Bibia Boko dear. Nyamia ya dear. Enutia manamo. Nadarama. Another great weekend is here again. Yes, it's the start of the weekend. Friday, the 25th of January 2019. Good afternoon to you and you out there. And thank you so much for choosing 106.3 FM. Of course, this is the freestyle edition of your own show, Ofie Kwanso, on 106.3 FM with me, Jerry. All right, so shout's going out to Nana Bedi there. He's on set, y'all. Putting us out there. So that I'm out for we will call it the money there. And many thanks to Papa Bills and then to African. Akete, I see you. So we on till 6. And that's gonna be news time. That's the idea. Baby, I'm out to me. Last week Friday, I said maybe it's a question B. Before you call me, make sure you have an answer. Answer our frame. Question now me bisa last week and then you treaty. Na ye can't bibi ever say o senya memrane. Na uyi nyame aye. Two no difference wo mu ana the same thing. Na say difference wo mu a difference no any dey way uyi nyame aye ene o sa nyame mrane. Because last week me just a feeling na me nya ene che say me mama for frɛ na omu yi nyame aye na amafo frɛ omu yi nyame aye mu no ebinu ba ahwɛ sɛ de na aye sɛ omu samrane. And there was this time so no so metena se na me so me penkrofo a ombetimi asenya me mrane. And that the nkrofo samrane pa. Enti wa na me start to say me dream na adye bi ade we the same thing na has a difference. So obetimi aboan ya. Get on your phone right now and give me that call. Say ye nyame aye na yes nyame mrane. Is it the same thing? Eh, the corona. And now so straight and tell. Since so straight and tell one so straight no eh dear way any dear way. Yes, son nyame rane. Na ye nyame aye. That's what I want you to do. It's an hour from me who the reason why you are calling me. 0302216561. 0302216562. These are the numbers I did you made. First call already on the line. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me patron radio no dum yes on be you office why dum radio no. Why dum no? Yeah. Krasa cat. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon, brother.
Me patron your from saying.
Your friend Peter Ampoma.
Okay, Peter, question na me bisa no. Anu ye be na wo. Dum radio no me so be dum radio no I ma fi. You too.
Me patron me susu me kasa me kan say. Say the ka ayeyi ene ensamrane a. Ayesentafo mienu a yawo mo ba ko ye be ma na ba ko ye oba.
Ja ko person trick me.
Hello.
O person trick me pa o.
Me trick you. But asem ne say eye de ye omo ye ntafo. So wuyi nyame aye wo kana mani ya kire wo kana na ya kire na wo tontom obi na aye so ohena wakobedwase ne ye bone nsamlane no eno mo ohena hu ne keseye eno ba ko kana mani ya kire na ba ko so kana keseye ya kire
to boase wo no wasa ma de na bibi ho yesi wuyi nyame aye ene o se nyame mrane
ana me see uyi nyame aye no o kana mani ya kire ana wo sanya me nsam na no o ma ne hu ni tumi
na chese na chese meti wase de a se ye nyame aye de a ye kama mansan ni amanfo nyina hu se bia oye nyame sonku bi so ate ase ena ye sanemrane so de a ye
chini tumi
ye ma onu awurade na kasa hu se
yes
okay so minu that's why that's okay of from so to us na 80 or so the other to us hello good afternoon
Apostle Neo Jerry won't say there.
Good afternoon, baby. 90 on your song.
Afternoon, Croboni back up power before Mania, as he saw. Only
Crop on the wing, papa. Good afternoon, Crown.
Yeah, only maybe.
Yet,
as it's one bang, you know, via Adum FM. Only one person, no chief inspector, black or top one in the crop one. It will be a Adum FM. I will tell Jerry, you're not best. Dabakwe. Yes, I'm a chef for only maybe a course to say here. Na mado amesi sarura no na pemre kasie bi wom eni so wom na matia ho saa abona nkame na miko fa ba na afi na wo tre ba mi so na mikun no enti jari wempo onyame aye bi ama mi ma wo na jom olo
abu say to as yan fa next caller na yan kwedi hello good afternoon guys me patro for say
yeah, Nana said very much because African commentary.
Nana, me patcho already on the do na yeti kasa.
Nyame, o na u bisa say nyame ye born in Samlani, any ye na ye there difference in any there. Aye ye no. Anu do utimi de ye nyum to. Utimi de ye kasa, but emlani de utimi famlani en kenyum. Eti metimi aka say, eh twede ampo nyankopon we. Oba tampa aye biafo tibuafo nkusabra ba mansanu manue na no de me born in Samlani but make me so atwonyom nyame aye bia o waye bio waye aye Samlani de uti Samlani ntwonyom mani ye difference e wo mu anu aye ye no ye de nyom to ensam
aya nyabutre kakra waka de obeka mum de oh radio no mama nkate wo na o de tie mi radio no because so be say ma so de empesa me che ne say wa kire wa dwen emu ye pa obi ana dwen kire but se wo ka se entrontro no untimi your friends say ensamrane no wo be kan keke untimi fa anya nwum de me nte wase papa bills be hwe nwum bi mama Justine wo nwum bi okronkron yi hwe sa nwum no na me monche tifu no muti sa nwum no osawrade mnane from beginning to the end but say nwum so if you tell me say what me friend no nwum dia no na just just osan babim yan fa next call hello oh sorry yan to aso hello good afternoon good afternoon
brother
me ba try from say
but friend Joe Kasafri Butcher Junction.
Joe, say yes, nyame mrane na ye nyame aye e ya de kro ananso so edantem.
Brother, me imagine ten ya de kro mu.
Ene chimwe.
Ewrade aye ne de je na ye ewrade kase bia besu ya kase ewrade me ye kase efeja odi ne ma so mi shirawo. By mrane de e bia ahunu abobrumi yankopon free chief friend from yankopon. Ya mi a ye hia wa na ye de ni. Ona wo bo osoro ne atase ohun abobumi ami won ne awon 15 minutes anti be 15 minutes anti am so na wo say urade mrane wo sa kwan so
enti ne kra no difference na nkasa ne sen no
difference na ye ne de se na ye bra ba kudi kan aye no ebi a ye urade a betumi atonjum ebi a de ye urade aye ba na ye
ba ye so ne mrane de aye ntumi fa tonjum
anu so enim so kakra wo ba difference kakra du
Milia, okwa anu asa de besim. Ye da wase no adwen chemum. It's 3:45 on 106.3 FM. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Me patro e fro say.
Patro me akosia me free sakomono.
Akosia yeti o.
Okay, me wona say kai here. Ase obi aya ade ama na we ni aso. Na wo che say you appreciate. But Mane no, I said a woman Yakupon fan.
Okay, I got you. What I say? We want to do send your membrane, but you baby, but in a neighbor, Hello. Hey. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
About your friend saying.
Dada aticho ni wa samanka se.
Dada aticho me tun ka che bibia boko de.
Mukisha me no matamfo na bra.
Good. Yentie we.
Yo me dase. Ayeyi ene nsamane no. Ni get ade bako. Dey say enum obako de utimi de tonum a obi beti ase se obetimi atonum. But ayeyi ene nsamane no. So because me tuntum nyame me pejam nyame a obetimi nyina ye nsamane na bia but ayeyi hu se ayeyi no e de anyidie bi ehye wo mu e ma wo de ye nyum to but na de wo yi west no 1111 de kire but ni nyina no difference bi anim I so bi de yawata na obi de atayaw ni nyina ye din ba ko na medase
hey that teacher is for there o say I so bi de yawata no bi de atayaw and I so be the Jerry Justice. No be so the Justice Jerry. Hello.
Hello. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, I'm Ellie. My first name is Legon.
Ellie, me patro yet you.
Inti, me feel say one is a subset of the other.
Inti, which one is the subset of the other?
Mane, which is appellation, and Mane no is a subset of Ayeyi, which is praise. Because I mean, you make me out to you, make me up man in some money. It's like me previous call and a car, you know. Me, you know, because why you be dear mammy. Now, because no, your mammy, and every time Nipako, I am Namekora or yen to know to me, yes, I don't know. Into one master demuno. Make me one in some money, we are my Yuna, Akahonji. It's the same thing, but one is a subset of the other.
Anyway, yeah, that's it. They also the buy, right?
Okay.
Yes, you. Easy. Cron. Ah, hello.
Hello, Roger.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
You're from saying? Okay, in way. Amen.
Maybe imagine and transform Nimina, dear back.
I did back one.
Different, you say. I in the back. Oh, Bra, Yamia, did the amount. Brunch, yes. 3 I more. It's me kind of catch the answer. Abia, Yamia, will kill you when Yami Bilio. You the Mujata. Is there don't very much. You are Australia, Fascinating. I said, you are a brew again and yes. Now, anyway, you know, come to me now.
Yeah, that's a part in the other buy. Where's your honey back Clement? Or Sim Raniso? I hope you so. Yapa! Yanka! Hey! Boko!
Ofie Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on a 106.3 FM.
Ti o se me de wase da befa emrani mu ama o meto ayeyi nwumu a membre ho. Aye complicated brutal. Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Me patro from say.
I from Adimika Fikedi.
Okay, me patro yet you.
Yet aye na mo kana. So ka say aye ne emane na me hu ni say emane no na wa limit o. My ka aye ne dia ehim ye I say no bi ta say subject no. Aye ni abroad. Running down, Quite be so, and I say specific area na fa.
You. Yeah, that's a pie. But try for last 2 course now, fancy. Where you can say 4 course now, because it's 6 p.m. See you, hello.
Good afternoon, Rajeri.
Afternoon, Ochi.
Today.
Pomboko, Nyamia Dumti, Ochi. Okay, great, Yanko.
Rajeri, we say we radio station, but woman and they is the papa. They say I quite so de ma or so for began in more church ali. Ni penani yagian baso. And then ya why no Yamen can Yamisha woman and these the pana. That means ya sick a clan say. We said me quite be a search, imagine next time maybe I'd I said down so and they say na no different men because na we phone line na yes obi na say okodon or share adima when nti so ni pe wo hwa e bia nyame ai bibia ma wada na ase ati so obi ache wade
okay
na sa yi no so eno so onipa no e bia na wo hwe ni kasi bi o ye bi ti se e bia wo tuntum obi e bia ye ni mi se na na de president nti oba ukuma wo tuntum ni so ye president mu obi e we hu se o ye president eno so e wo honum na bia na ubi ai bibia ma na opese uyina yo eya de ebu akoma so opese uyina yenti difference with the way me adwen action panti ya menka ho bye.
All right, on council you be fire last caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Already on the Dumno network of course and kasa right.
Hello, good afternoon.
Your friend saying
your friend me Adum FM me kasa fi hwa kwai.
Your friend Adum FM.
Aye.
Hey.
I'm here on number pa Jerry.
And your friend who Adum FM.
Aye.
Now when I decide in it all.
Me and me pay Adum FM tina me decide in afternoon.
And you baby I want area more near for the front no.
Aye. Because me radio station there at the Adum FM 24/7.
That could be slang why na we there.
Ah me ba be sra that ko. Why?
It is a one say I said baby I dina obetiana
Jim FM.
Jerry.
Oh my goodness. Anyway,
Jerry, Edina mo kawasem. Emlane ayeyi no. Ni nyina e ba ko.
Ni na de ba ko.
Dada tito kan no. O say e say do be de yawata ana obi de atayawo. They are all the same.
Okay.
Ade abetimi aye no ayeyi edwum no obetimi aye no nsamanane no. So be try ejuma so dem ultimate that form obi so bonya men samana no ultimate that form intini na is the same as one thing na enye different bia sa e dia difference o mkaka na say aye ejuma no obe to aye ejuma but so be sasa nyame samana ne esa ya hwe obi tse brother same ka say bia oyi nyame aya obi no nyumi ya o ka say enyumi me sana enye different it's almost the same.
Okay.
Until adene there ni nyina the same. Why Jerry?
You that's
bye bye.
Great. Madam Fo Sydney office sir kanena GBC na message GBC na GCB ena na udini duma ene de udini adum na ose emrane no is like giving God fans. I say rade I'm an team and the bizano man fans and aye no and no there it's about praising God. So say a rade aye biamao who declare his goodness, his power, wonders in its animal. So I say nyamia aye biamana say so I heard you. I saw from penny phone just say because I did serious. But I quite say entafo no. Ni me nu na anam. Ataya ne yawata. Tini nyina mu no ne say ubetimi ase nyame mrane. You see there's difference between na ochre ka bibi ye fan say o de yensu na adodan kwa Akufo-Addo or your president bia personally on share dan ye bibi ma one kasa men benefit you and I say directly on ye bibi ma. But the fact that onona odie nyina so o man so na ebia watimi aye entutu bia na hye bi ama aboa Ghana man no which we are part of our man no so entino still no upese o man fans won ya waye ho ntino eno no utimi esane mrane ebona bodin president bia ante se wo wachini wanim there there's no president obia ntimi ye de waye bi pen so ne ade so entino o de no man fans but the moment obesha ase se uyi na ye no se ebia waye bibia ma affect you I mean and the direct pa it was nyame wo ho nyame ye wonderful enema bibia on na ye bibia wo wiase mu ebia ne se de na apostle kwabneka se okotia owo yisu se de ndie yawa it is ani mane mane na okeka ni na bomu ana hwe urade ne nsa no nwuma ne se de wanwan ne ade a ubetimi aden ejina eno so e de asane mrane se so but ebia wo so ade srede bi ya wo de ato urade ani bia waye ho akonchia ne ade but I mean miraculously urade ayade na mampo wa bra na wani na wo firi mu na wo yi nyame aye said you bitimi da from no minim ne di nyame ha that is the difference but ye kasa ye de hwe no ne kasa no mu ne nyum to no mu ne dia you be mistake because two ni nyina no o kasa o de be kasa o bitimi dia kasa o kasa o de be nyum so o bitimi dia yeah fast that can say my proud sponsors Petra Trust or say dachi and for now begina send our pesa brabon mo echo efa wadidi mu wona emu untadi shemu wayari shemu ni ade sika so na be send be si akwafa guys ne hu nation so say it is how much control you have over your money and not how much money you have and na ebo am watimi achieve your future goals ni nyina and to bibia ma Petra na yembo a say be efficiently wetimi control sika no through savings, investments, pensions, and they can be brave. Na etimi aboa na dachi emu ayede emu ayefe e de amount. For Petra neya was 0242 435 037 or visit achievemore.petratrust.com. Petra, achieve more. Kojak Pharma Limited. Also in mind the original pro code. Emma yede ekutia code any flu. PBH akwane for 2 days say. Afe wo awudi ade depa na ade ehia na ade enwupa na osen FFM ho no. Yusu Kojak F. Toothpaste and then mouthwash ebejai. O de na no den pa dia me pacho yusu Kojak P. Toothpaste and mouthwash continuously for 4 weeks later no switch to Kojak F. Bibia be fine. Ope best result I know what the Kojak sensitive toothbrush no aka ho. Obenya bia to pharmacy shops ahodo ni nyina mdodo pa no okanshi drug lanes ho na be hu Kojak Pharma na wa geneve enya sanso afre 0249 209 920 and 0260 870 780. DBS Industries Limited. Ono so na my roofing sheet papa e de boy dan so e board dan so sa we guys because who's really and from an elbow ewia na elbow ensuo na eto etim de etim are losing content mo kwan mi pa AZ150 dia call market now between AZ30 and AZ50. A pre-coated roofing sheet, colorlink plus roofing sheet, color no fade empilium and put on campus a chance and arrested. And it's now to be an amount 20-year warranty. I was I was Spinkters Road next to Papaya Restaurant. Wait me out Fraser to phone numbers 0543 286 637 and off 0577 619 102. Buy101.com. Also, and a Nepali nyina egu. Ade bia wo pato bia no. Say a car now pato, say a spare parts, say a die and say building materials now pay. Bibia we here bia home appliances need they can count. Ni nyina available. Ewo buy101.com. Also na ni man no F4. Wa won niam me bobo so nyina bi so a won so wo pɛ atofo ntentem no me pa chobo mode akobɔ ho daru e wo buy101.com na obenya atofo ntem wo de wade ekoto sɛ wo ton a yenye wo hwe e free buy101.com. Fresh is here 0266 637 111 afi 0302 300 472. Edo mase so mo so ya sinema yetie ofedi kan ye radia ye e wadum 106.3 FM. It is now 4 p.m. Her name is Lady Prempe and she calls this one Asida. Classmate back with your friend of Michael or Safo Champion. On your school now, near friend of Sofo, sir. Oh, dear, nah, you go so I on our course, ne, banner, now, or send me voice note be on WhatsApp. See, I'm a boy, and I think, say, explanation, Michael Diamond, perfect. Perfect. Or say, ye, Nyamia, ye, a 1 year, why ye, a dear my ye. I don't know the new be example. Who's I to me? Oni ya waya ma inti beji wa ye. Just said the nyame ayama ono. Na wayi na aye e wo ho. Na mmom ye bo nyame nsamrane. E de kire de awurade betimi aye. Ade na awurade nyem aba o bo ne nsamrane se de be obeye sa ade na ma o. Tu betimi aka nyame obetimi ama me 1,000. Do 1,000 in my batch. Oh man, the fans no na 1,000. Hey Michael, you do all. It's your son nyame mrane. E won ne nyame betimi aye. We believe that he can do this. It's your son ho mrane wo ho. Na ampa so no mrane no enam so ma awurade ayama ye. Na oyama ye wi a ye yinaye. Oh yeah. And to tie Lady Prempe mu ya. Unso say Yesu ayade nya waye ntino oyinaye. Enyom ne ties na kasa ya aseda. Ntina che say Awurade aye bia ma no. Enu nti e na oyinaye no. It makes sense. Uncle Sam, Escas. I say happy belated birthday, Uncle Emma and the Nete of Community 1 Peace Assemblies of God Church. Nyame onsha na onyo kese. We fear Uncle Sam of Escas. And I feel honorable Mr. and Mrs. Nati and Mr. and Mrs. Forsen. And Awo a chain.
My Lord is good all the time. My Lord is good all the time. I get better, yo. I get better. Tina makuna mwaya sidam kwayo. I sidam kwayo. Nia waye mi free makume mudawa. Yes, waya dia. Nia waye mi free makume mudawa. Tina makuna nyuma get better, yo. I get better. Tina makuna mwaya sidam kwayo. I sidam yes, waya dia. Nia waye mi free makume mudawa. Yes, waya dia. Nia waye mi free makume mudawa.
Okay, Ebena so say yetie asemo a ye de etu ye hofo ene awia yi ewo Ofie Kwanso medie so wa dom 106.3 FM. Tipacho you asum na by Kanketsi Sorin Estate and aroma insecticide spray and the mosquito coil. Yentie ene asemo. Okay, and asamo a yede etu ye hofo ewo Ofie Kwanso medie so no. It is dedicated to Brasame aka Gozo of engineering department from multimedia. All right, now and asamo a yede tu ye hofo no. Wo brofo kasem no asem ne say not all help is good help. Be prepared to go alone if that is what the mission requires. No matter how many times a snake sheds its skin, it will always be a snake. So always remember this before you allow people back into your life. Yes, sir, unipa odo hu bejija. Yes, sir, obenya adofo. Said the beya wo kire bi no bibi ni a when you be asu akire no ana wo hia moa obi atimi aboa wo. But esan se nipati enti se bofre na wapam ena wahunu die tue mu nti no asem yin ka kire yen se enya moa bia na ye moa papa emoa bi obi betimi yen se wo boa wo but wo de gigi wa kopira wo enso wunnim nti no obeso mu age atum se eye moa no de boa enso be wiase no na wanu hunya ya na ka wa anye sa moa no enye moa nyina ene ye emoa papa na mmom se ye be hia nipa ene nipa atimi adin se wo so nyame kura be hira kro no ankasa mesi fom no se me bakwa aku wa bompa ya ase me mfasa ade mi no tije wo de fa nipa so a nti edan be hia nipa but esese wo ma wani da ho na se eduru pempen so bi na sese nko a wo kono kwanten kro e wa bra onfa ho koto nipa bia so ana onko ye nafosem bia esese wo ye ne sa e bia na anamo esese wutu no esese wo kono kwanten kro e wa bra obi fufuro enka wo na sem no koso ka kyen se emfa wo ene emre dodo a aboa owo obewro ne honam yi ade agu o se owo ibu anam wura se owo ne skin wa ro gu ba bi na owo na nkasa anim aka ne skin no emfa wo ne emre dodo a owo no obewro ne skin no afiri ho ne honam no orogu 100 times kwa still oyo onya okotia no so on fan che obeka wo saa na nipa binu esu etie enti no ebia na obi aye obibi woni obi anyam na sopo bi ana ebi kura na ade bi na antwa yie ene kofo ha bi bae enu ti se dia en why wadwen se sese no anamo wa wutu ni na so ebetimi asiesie so okay ne enye hwe ni ade a na ansana obesan ka se wodo ho kwa akoto nipa so biem no o se dwen sa asem we ho ansa esan se ebia na onikro no su no ene ne ban no ekwa akoye se abo owe ya emfa ho ne mere dodo ko be woro ne ho de agu o nenso ekosi na hia ugusu eyowo nti yese uma wani eda ho. Once again, not all help is good help, so be prepared to go alone if that's what the mission requires. No matter how many times a snake sheds its skin, it will always be a snake. So remember this before you allow people back into your life. We any asemwene yedi tu ye hofo e wo Ofie Kwanso medie so. Yen first so aseda my proud sponsors. Soaring Estate metiomo so na ma sori amu. Correct company pa. A group of young Christians and omo back together at the boa Ghana for, especially omo ede botai papa bi esi omani so epe obra pa bi abono omo bo mochidom sebe am bitimi akomanim. Eti enei o pasase ato ana o pedan ato enfa ba bia manenye Soaring Estate ye na edi nokre ewo asase eto mu ni ade a manso sem ni ade na bibia o bia yaka wasem ato dada etuba na yi wasase ma se ko odi ani a uni obi ani o ha bia ewo ho eno anse wo to aso ko animu ana o develop land wo ko ba bi uni obi ani asem. Prime area, just a beautiful locations near the ade any en sasi edida emu ye pa. Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays ye do man for coin site home mom coin inspection and no free enyo hwe wa kona kohwe na ye convinced fine ya kire wudi ni enu ani kratasem ni ni ade asensan no bia kone baabi problem bia ni akire bim akire ni na bia tihwe office akire kwan ye wo Newtown ha ya mpacho direction no man the fa here na very simple car price ye boomerang nche ho na no wofo de akosoro no sa kona ho na ye de fa kopie Newtown no wo de onya ye se wo ko wanim kakra bi na enche some few meters there's a washing bay on your right. The opposite pay there's this toy building esro and a Soaring Estate ewo ko na nyom ko di nkomo na asase no won so ye se otimi nya bi na so kakra upeda dani suo wate nyamete ase nko ade bibia be fine. Fred Soaring Estate ewo 027 001 2295 afi 050 054 5457 TBMO 027 001 2295 and 050 054 5457. I forget to send in WhatsApp. We need to WhatsApp 0244 721 348 0244 721 348. Now and also we try WhatsApp at the assistant not just say anymore. Soaring Estate, where God lives. Finally, Roma insecticide spray. Miagu demo na enkum tuntum ni na watimi adana from asunda papa kama and I don't tuntum disturb na watimi na you can't even think oh wontimi ponso da papa bi nya nisuade hunu bi na ade abobra no so watimi dana feel correct pa what I say Roma insecticide spray ene di wakagina mu akontia tuntum ni ntumwa entefre no ne ade omo nyina tuo mo ase one time na onso watimi anya hoto ewo fie ho ye on mosquito kwa so ho uso si we chepa ansa na asa smokeless eruntiempu wisie ene de katane cold ne chest infections bia beja woni wabusua so na emum ne de a hoya anse wo hwemu okutia tuntum isa na onso otimi anya ofa hodie pe bia tra kwan ewo shops ne stores ne supermarkets how do atwa ho ahia enyina emu Roma entontom master pa 50 minutes after 4 yeah 12 minutes of Fansanka radio no
Obesima Health Link range of products and amedia yeme yonko nukrenie anti amabua me pao na Health Link omega 3 fish oil na odi aka ho ama me ne die ebeboa makoma ne me redie esan fatty acids ronko na Health Link immune system tablets are vitamins B6 A C D B6 B12 any selenium ashemu mano ebeboa ama me nipedua no nko etia nyadewa na wota no mu a wonyare na se biribi twa wo mpo a ema okro no wu ntenten eno nti mini ha okra na ne ye meda wo ho ne se mitumi fa no ba ko fe de mu ni nyina eka medua ne ho se food supplement na drugstore ni pharmacy shops ubenye bi tufu onko Pharma Trust Limited ana frɛ 0561088663 ana 0561088666 Health Link, your link to a healthier lifestyle. In Kratwe, Food and Drugs Authority, Ajiatum.
Sorry, Nessa Wuko and na mena menya dying. Almost as a wamasamai, Kaswa, and Sawam or ye be dodowa, Adenta, or Yarefa, Tema, Chopoli, Dowenya, Pram, Dansuma Sakamai, Botiano, Tuba Road, Widiba, Shari Hills, and a Dobro.
A Binso Airport Residential, Dansuma and a East Legon.
Sovereign Estate, Ewa Accra New Town, one washing bay no Ewa Accra New Town, Caprice Road, and the Dinsha Nimu, Commercial Bank in the Chi, for 027 001 2295 050 054 5457. Sovereign Estate, where God.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry.